On the bench today I have the KATA 9-inch magnetic torpedo level with light. The company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. Came packaged great, as you can see. Arrived safely, and nice looking packaging there. Inside the package you are going to get the level itself. This is a 3-bubble torpedo level. It is 9 inches long. It is made of ABS and TPE material, so it's super lightweight. We have openings on either end right here, so it's easy to hang up whether you're using it that way or you're storing it after you're done. I love these smaller torpedo levels because they fit nicely into your tool bag as well. We have shockproof rubber ends on it too, and that's going to help with impact in the event that you drop it, and you will. I will anyway. The 3 independent bubble valves are easy to read, and they allow you to do all the common angles that you're going to need around the house. We have horizontal, we have vertical, and we have a 45-degree option on here. And with this light green color, it makes it super easy to read. And speaking of easy to read, if you find yourself in a dark condition or a low light condition, they have actually put a light on here. You can actually turn it on using this switch right here, if you can see it or not. So something like this will be great for crawl spaces or dark closets, when you're working in the trades or around the house. One of the things that I really like about this is this middle valve right here is actually removable. Just pops out and fits back in there like a jigsaw. And you can see that it has 2 hooks on it so that it can be hung on a string. I like that. You can use it for some brickwork, sight lining, flooring, decking, slopes, all kinds of stuff. And when you want to put it back, it just fits right back in there, easy enough. It has a built-in magnetic edge on it, so it's great for freeing up your hands if you're working with steel materials. And on the bottom here, it's kind of hard for me to read without readers, but there's a built-in ruler on here with both imperial and metric measurements. It's kind of neat. Maybe I can take something and darken that up, make it easier for me to see, but there you go. An easy to use, lightweight torpedo level that would be great for all kinds of uses, from the construction site to everyday chores around the house, from woodworking to hanging pictures. It's easy to use, it's easy to store away when you're done. Throw in a tool bag, very nice.